Hello everyone, nature is full of wonders, but every once in a while something truly extraordinary happens. Something so rare it feels like a 1 in a billion moment. From breathtaking animal encounters to jaw-dropping natural phenomena, this video captures nature at its most unpredictable and awe-inspiring. Get ready to witness the incredible.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
A lot of y'all are saying that this isn't my car because people posted it earlier, but I'm gonna prove to y'all that this is my car. Same car.
Texas weather is nothing if not unpredictable. This is what happens when a city is built too close to a river, especially when the river has a mind of its own. Anyone lucky enough to capture these rare moments on camera would struggle to contain their excitement.
Oh my God, this is bad. Holy that's not good.
These cars may be fresh from a local dealership, but Mother Nature couldn't care less about their newness or luxury.
These cars are gonna come.
The approaching storm looks like extraterrestrial villains are about to start flying out of the clouds. Ever wondered why swimming lessons in the Amazon might not be the best idea? Just try to count the amount of alligators per square foot here.
Caralho, será que tem pouco jacaré aí, ó?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the USGS crew up there.
Hawaii is a place where nature's beauty and power exist in perfect contrast. In India, people captured footage of a massive landslide that completely blocked the road for an entire day. One of the most powerful tsunamis in Greenland's history took the fishermen by surprise. forcing them to pack up in a hurry.
Quickly pack up.
The Gobi Desert is famous not only for its vast expanse, but also for its mysterious singing dunes. As the wind shifts, the sand and layers of shale slide. An unusual sound emerges. An Arizona driver found himself in an unexpected chase, not with the police, but with a real dust devil swirling in his path.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on. It's coming toward me. The heck? Oh, snap. It's literally following me. That's where I was parked at. Wow.
Oh my god!
It's gonna tip over. I'm recording it. Stand up in front of there, Lena. Right. This is too cool. Zoom won't come back in. Oh, man.
Tahu. Lu mangan wani bila dulu yang kuasa nama dawan. Boran dah. Woi.
Imagine the sheer force of the eruption if ash managed to reach a village so far from the volcano. Lenticular clouds, which form under specific conditions of high humidity and strong horizontal airflow, may appear motionless from a distance but are constantly shifting.
Video this.
Yeah.
This is
Mammatus clouds are a rare sight, usually forming in tropical regions. The observer was lucky to witness them up close.
Nee joh! Nee joh! Wegwezen! Echt niet! Kijk nou! Holy fuck! Nee joh! Nee, dat meen je niet! Holy fuck! Dit is niet normaal dit!
Het verdwijnt helemaal, maar hij draait rondjes.
Hij moet gas geven, moet je zien die golven. Hou je vast wel.
Tu się zbliża do nas coraz bardziej, mamuś. Spokojnie. Będzie za górkę.
For both the operator and onlookers, it was a relief that waterspouts typically dissipate before reaching land and rarely travel far inland. These tourists were incredibly fortunate. The avalanche heading toward them suddenly changed course, narrowly missing them as they recorded the scene.
Ай-яй-яй! Блин, мимо бы прошла. Короче, и там еще народ. Сейчас пулевая лавина до нас сюда идет. Ёлки-палки.
Sandstorms are a frequent occurrence in Iraq, and each time one sweeps through, cities take on an otherworldly appearance.
And that flag is about 100 feet away. Oh well, nice day.
Oh my god! Woo!
The car over there, the car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
Relax. I need you. Смотри, две фуры. Да. Сфоткал? Не.
Listen.
What's the whole lot's gonna go? Is it moving out? It's moving. It is moving. It's gonna go. It's going. It's going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Jeez!
Honeybees use a fascinating defense mechanism to deter threats and alert their hive. The greater the danger, the more intense and frequent their warning waves become. Eyewitnesses recall the chaos that erupted in Pisa that day. The waterspout was just one element of the destruction nature unleashed upon the Italian city. The tide has sculpted a fascinating formation from a mix of sand and ice.
Allahu Akbar, bagus ya guys. Nah.
Even the most talented artist cannot rival nature's ability to create beauty. Deep within Olympic National Park in Washington stands a remarkable tree known as the Tree of Life. Despite its roots never touching the ground, it has defied all biological expectations and remains standing as a symbol of resilience. A rare phenomenon known as the Squirrel King occurs when several squirrels become entangled by their tails, leaving them unable to break free. This unusual event is typically caused by resin, fur, or nesting debris. Powerful winds push the waterfall's flow upward, creating the illusion that the laws of physics are being defied.
Down in the...
Wow, look at that. Race as well.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks on the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
A powerful ice flow surged forward, sweeping away everything in its path, including entire trees. In 2018, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano captured global attention with its most significant eruption in centuries.
This is fucking amazing.
Every year, at the end of December, a breathtaking event unfolds on Christmas Island. Over 100 million crabs embark on an 18-day journey to the ocean.
Oh my god, that's amazing. This is boring. So bright, you can feel the heat.
Stunning footage from Hawaii captures lava, heated to nearly 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, pouring into the ocean and producing an immense steam plume that rises into the sky.
Feel that heat.
At first glance, it appears to be a nest, but upon closer inspection, it reveals itself as a cluster of harvestmen, whose legs can grow up to 20 times the length of their bodies.
Wow.